നമസ്കാരം അഗാരിക്കസ് മലയാളത്തിന്റെ പുതിയ എപ്പിസോഡിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം 27/3/2022 നടന്ന മൈക്രോബയോളജിസ്റ്റ് ഫുഡ് സേഫ്റ്റി ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റിന്റെ ആൻസർ കീ ആണ് പബ്ലിഷ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. നമുക്ക് അതിന്റെ ആൻസേഴ്സ് എന്തൊക്കെയാണെന്ന് നോക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, വിച്ച് ഓഫ് ദി ഫോളോയിങ് സ്റ്റെയിനിങ് പ്രൊസീജിയർ ഈസ് an employed for DNA? Correct answer is Fulgen staining. Second question, which of the following inclusion bodies are present in cyanobacteria? Correct answer is option A, cyanophycin granules and carboxysome. Third question, the following statements are characteristics of metabolic plasmid. Correct answer is option A. Fourth question, pick out the false statements against peptidoglycan of bacteria. Correct answer is option C. Fifth question, which of the following statements are not true regarding halophiles? Correct answer is option C. Sixth question, match the following ആണ്. Correct answer option C. Seventh question answer option C തന്നെയാണ്. Eighth question, pick out the statement which is false regarding the accessory pigment of photosynthesis. Correct answer is option C. Accessory pigment absorb light in the range absorbed by the chlorophylls. Ninth question, spikes containing neuraminidase and hemagglutinin are present in one of the following viruses. Correct answer is option C. Influenza virus. 10th question, amandine mycotoxin produced by Amanita verna causes the disease. Correct answer is mushroom poisoning. 11th question, greatest resolution is obtained by using a lens with. Correct answer is option C. Large possible numerical aperture and light of the longest wavelength. 12th question, thin and distinctively shaped Treponema palladium, the causative agent of syphilis, is better identified in clinical specimens by using. Correct answer is option B. Dark field microscope. 13th question, which of the following statement is not true for gel electrophoresis? Correct answer is option D. Each fragment's migration rate is directly proportional to the log of its molecular weight. 14th question, choose the technique which are effective in purification of a virus preparation. Correct answer is option A. Differential centrifugation, gradient centrifugation. 15th question, which of the following statements are not true of sedimentation? Correct answer is option C. The greater the centrifugal force is, the slower the particle sediments. 16th question, cesium chloride widely employed in the density gradient centrifugation is used for the. Correct answer is option C. 17th question, dash are strong exchangers as they are totally ionized at all normal working pH values, which are often used in the ion exchange chromatography. Correct answer is option A. Sulfonate and quaternary ammonium. 18th question, match the following ആണ്. Correct answer option B. 19th question, match the following. Correct answer is option D. 20th question, isolation of eukaryotic mRNA from a mixture of total cellular RNA is carried out by dash technique. Correct answer is affinity chromatography. 21st question, which of the following statements are correct relating to passive immunity? Correct answer is option A. 22nd question, which of the following statements are not true regarding superantigen like Staphylococcus enterotoxin? Correct answer is option C. 23rd question, complementary determining region are present in the. Correct answer is option B. Fab fragment of antibody. 24th question, which of the following statements are characteristic of secretory immunoglobulin A? Correct answer is option A. 25th question, the following is our example of heterophile agglutination test. Correct answer is option B. 26th question, complement participate in. Correct answer is option B. 27th question. Which HLA molecules are responsible for the graft versus host response? Correct answer is option B, HLA classes 2. 28th question. Which of the following act as an adjuvant in DPT vaccine? Correct answer is option C, Bordetella pertussis. 29th question. Which of the deficiency lead to Wiskott-Aldrich syndrome? Correct answer is option A. 30th question. Which of the following statements are true of tumor antigen? Correct answer is option A. 31st question. O-linked oligosaccharides are added to the serine or threonine residues of proteins post-translationally in the Golgi apparatus, while N-linked oligosaccharides are added co-translationally to the asparagine residue of protein in the endoplasmic reticulum. Which one of them can influence the folding of the protein most? Correct answer is option B, N-linked oligosaccharides. 32. Of the following lipid component, which one increases the fluidity of the cell membrane? Correct answer is option A, cis unsaturated fatty acid. 33. When a protein denatures. Correct answer is option C, secondary and tertiary structure are altered but primary structure is intact though its function is lost. 34th question. The researchers prepared a plant extract which when added to the enzyme pepsin, the enzyme activity reduced to 2/3 of its original activity. When double the amount of the protein substrate was added to the mixture, the enzyme activity came back to the original level. What would be the maximum reaction velocity observed in the presence of the plant extract? Correct answer is option A. 35. Receptors of peptide hormones are. Correct answer is option C, transmembrane. 36. Scientists have identified a new species of a plant from Western Ghats. To study its uniqueness, they isolated the DNA and prepared a COT value curve. Which of the following information is not possible to get on analyzing the COT value curve? Correct answer is option D, determination of exact GC content. 37. Which of the following molecule is derived from cholesterol? Correct answer is option B, taurocholic acid. 38. Ammonium sulfate precipitation is commonly employed during the isolation of proteins. Which of the following technique can be used to remove ammonium sulfate from the solution after ammonium sulfate precipitation? Correct answer is option C, dialysis. 39. Correct answer is option A. 40th question. Which of the following statement about fructose is true? Correct answer is option D, all of the above. 41. The linking number of DNA. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. 42. The Clino fragment of DNA polymerase 1 has. Option B, 3' to 5' exonuclease activity. 43. The role of sigma 70 in prokaryotic transcription is. Correct answer is option D, recognizing the promoter and initiating RNA synthesis. 44. Eukaryotic RNA polymerase 2 transcribes. Correct answer is option C, mRNA. 45. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding splicing? Correct answer is option C, the 2'OH of the adenine at the branch site attacks the 3' splices site. 46. Lack repressor protein in the absence of inducer binding to the operator and thereby. Correct answer is option B, blocks transcription. 47. The phenomenon by which some tRNA molecules recognize more than one codon is because of. Correct answer is option B, Wobble base pairing. 48. Shine-Delgado sequence is. Correct answer is option D. All of the above. 49. The enzyme which can be used to synthesize DNA from mRNA by providing an oligoprimer that pairs with the poly A sequence at the 3' end of eukaryotic mRNA is. Correct answer is option A, reverse transcriptase. 50. The plasmids which can used for introducing new genes into plant cells are. Correct answer is option C, Ti plasmid. 51. Genes from higher organism may be introduced into microbial cells so that the recipient become capable of synthesizing foreign proteins which are described as. Correct answer is option C, heterologous protein. 52. The key factor affecting the hyphal morphology is submerged culture are. Correct answer is option C. 53. The washout of the inoculum before an adapted culture is established is the main difficulty is using a. Correct answer is continuous enrichment process. 54. The SSF bioreactor in which the bed is static or mixed only very infrequently and air is blown forcefully through the bed is typically referred to as a. Correct answer is option B, packed bed bioreactor. 55. Wine obtained from which one among the following whitish and effervescent liquid, both of which properties derived from the fact that the fermenting organisms are numerous and alive when consumed? Correct answer is option D. 56. Who first of all proposed the utilization of microorganisms as one of the solutions to the oil recovery issue? Correct answer is option A, Beckmann. 57. An organic compound when exposed to a two-phase immiscible system, it will dispense itself between these two phases in a definite ratio called as. Correct answer is option C, distribution coefficient. 58. The efficiency of solid particles as antiform entities depends mainly on their. Correct answer is option D. 59. Porter and stout are varieties of. Correct answer is option B. 60. Which one amongst the following is one the method of enzyme microencapsulation? Correct answer is option D. 61. Which gene is responsible for methicillin resistant in Staphylococcus aureus? Correct answer is option A, MECA gene. 62. An in vitro virulence test which is used for the toxicity testing of diphtheria. Correct answer is option C. 63. Name the causative agent of diarrhea which is common in persons from developed countries visiting endemic areas. Correct answer is option A. 64. Which of the following is a specific test for syphilis? Correct answer is option B, TPHA. 65. Which one of the following is a non-neural vaccine for rabies? Correct answer is option D. 69. COVID-19 is a. Correct answer is option C, enveloped RNA virus. 67. Which of the following is a non-cultivable fungus? Correct answer is option B, Rhinosporidium zebrae. 68. A sexual reproductive structure of zygomycetes are. Correct answer is option A, sporangiospore. 69. Which method of peripheral smear examination is useful for species identification of malaria? Correct answer is option B, thin smear. 70. Kala Azar is transmitted to humans by the bite of. Correct answer is option D, sandfly. 71. A yeast genes commonly found in fresh ground beef, poultry, kefir grains and cocoa beans whose generic name means shining white. Correct answer is option B, Candida. 72. Depression of pH value of meat upon completion of rigor mortis is due to the conversion of 1% glycogen to. Correct answer is option C. 73. Choose the correct statement. Correct answer is option D. 74. Which of the following is not a prebiotic? Correct answer is option C. Lactose. 75. Dash produced during colonic fermentation determine the pH of colonic lumen. Correct answer is option C. 76. 2D concept is related to the probability of survival of dash in foods. Correct answer is option A. Clostridium botulinum. 77. The presence of dash in modified atmospheric package gases can reduce the risk of botulism in seafood. Correct answer is option A. Oxygen. 78. The Z value of the most of the bacteria ranges between. Option D. 79. Dash are primary group of organisms involved in sauerkraut fermentation. Correct answer is option B. Lactic acid bacteria. 80. Antimicrobial activity of hydrogen peroxide is attributed to. Correct answer is option C. 81. Secondary metabolites are produced during dash phase of growth. Correct answer is option B. 82. Inner surface of bioreactors are coated with dash to limit wall growth. Correct answer is option A. Teflon. 83. Carbon source that can be used for production of single cell protein. Correct answer is option D. 84. Dash is a technique where modified fermenters up to 100 dm cube are gently stirred and broth continuously removed from the vessels and passed through the stainless steel or ceramic filter. Correct answer is option A. Perfusion culture. 85. Yeast dash is one of the commercial important source of lactase. Correct answer is option D. 86. Dash are used for the circulation of steam and cooling water during the heating and cooling cycles of sterilization of the fermenter. Correct answer is option B. 87. 100 pounds of yeast can produce dash tons of protein within 24 hours. Correct answer is option C. 88. The optimum temperature above dash degrees Celsius is usually preferred for industrial important microorganism as it can reduce cooling cost. Correct answer is option B. 40. 89. Workers in factory that work with amylase are at an increased risk of. Correct answer is option C. Asthma. 90. Example for catabolic product resulting from primary metabolism. Correct answer is option C. Lactic acid. 91. According to FSSAI regulations, double toned milk should have a minimum fat and SNF of dash respectively. Correct answer is option B. Option C. 1% and 9%. 92. Early blowing in canned dairy product is due to. Correct answer is option C. Coliforms. 93. Dash is the chief immunoglobulin in milk and confers passive immunity. Correct answer is option A. Immunoglobulin A. 94. The disappearance of blue color in milk during MBRT is due to. Correct answer is option C. 95. Psychotrophic bacteria capable of producing thermostable proteases and lipases causing spoilage in milk. Correct answer is option C. Pseudomonas. 96. To reduce the microbial load and to encourage whey protein or casein interaction, the milk for dash manufacture is severely heated to 90 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Correct answer is option B. Yogurt. 97. As per FSSAI microbiological requirement for yeast and mold count in pasteurized butter are. Correct answer is option C. 98. The biochemical test used to check aroma producing starter culture based on its ability to produce acetyl methyl carbinol and diacetyl is? Correct answer is option C. 99. Bacillus cereus poisoning is an example for? Correct answer is option B. Toxic infection. 100. Rennet causes destabilization of casein mesylate 2 dash and glycomacropeptide. Correct answer is option C. Para-K casein. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. താങ്ക് യു.